Avocado egg rolls recipes. Check out these 3 recipes. 1. Avocado egg rolls. Ingredients: 2 Chilean avocados, 1½ cups thinly shredded green cabbage, 3/4 cup small diced mango, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 teaspoon salt, pinch of cayenne, 18 to 20 egg roll wrappers, vegetable oil for frying. Dipping sauce: 1 habanero seeded, ½ cup sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons lime juice. Preparation: 1. Egg rolls. Cut avocados in half, remove pit and peel, then dice. Place in a bowl. Add cabbage, mango, lime juice, salt, and cayenne. Gently toss to combine. 2. On a cutting board, position egg roll wrappers so they look like a diamond. At the bottom of the diamond, lay out a few spoonfuls of avocado mixture. Starting at the bottom, roll up the wrapper covering the filling. At the halfway point, fold in the right and left sides, then continue rolling. Wet the top corner with a bit of water to seal. Keep egg rolls under a damp paper towel while rolling the rest. 3. Heat approximately 3 inches of vegetable oil in a pot until it reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the egg rolls in small batches until they are golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes. Drain on paper towels. 4. Dipping sauce. Blend all ingredients together, pour into a small bowl. 5. Serve. 2. Egg rolls with spinach, bacon, and avocado. Ingredients: 6 eggs, 6 slices bacon cooked and chopped, divided, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 2/3 cup chicken meat cooked and shredded, divided, 1 ripe avocado sliced, divided, 1 cup spinach freshly chopped, divided, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, divided, 1 teaspoon mustard, sea salt and black pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons butter, divided. Instructions: crack the eggs into the blender. Add in heavy cream, mustard, and season with salt and pepper. Blend until smooth. Heat the medium-sized frying pan and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Pour in half of the egg mixture, sprinkle with bacon, and fry until wrap gets firm. Repeat with the remaining egg batter and bacon. Transfer omelets to the plate. Spread each omelet with mayo, add spinach leaves, shredded cooked chicken, and avocado slices. Roll it up, cut each roll in half, and serve immediately. 3. Easy, delicious avocado egg rolls recipe. Ingredients: 12 egg roll wrappers, 3 avocados halved, peeled, and seeded, ½ cup tomatoes diced, 1/3 cup diced onion, 1 cup vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro leaves, salt and black pepper to taste, juice of 1 lime for the cilantro dipping sauce, ½ cup fresh cilantro leaves loosely packed, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 jalapeno seeded and deveined, juice of 1 lime, 1 clove garlic, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Instructions: combine coriander, sour cream, jalapeno, mayonnaise, garlic, lime juice in a food processor bowl to make coriander sauce. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then set aside. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet or Dutch oven in medium heat. Then mash the avocado in a medium bowl. Use a fork to mash. Add the onion, tomatoes, coriander, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Place the avocado mixture in the middle of each pack. Then bring the bottom edge of the wrapper tightly over the filling. Fold it on the side. Continue until the top of the wrapper is reached. Use fingers, then rub the edge of the wrap with water. Press to close. Repeat with remaining wrapper until finished. Working in batches, gently place the egg rolls in the oil and fry until evenly golden brown and crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer to a paper towel-lined plate. Serve immediately with dipping sauce. Enjoy!